Hi, baby. Good morning, Blueberry. What are you eating? Looks like you're feasting on broccoli. Are you wiping it on Daddy's arm? How about some more broccoli? Bring it over to him. Good boy. You like broccoli, don't you? It's a little cold. It's right from the refrigerator, but it's cooked. Come on. You want to eat broccoli or are you going to play? Go eat your broccoli. You can stand on the cup. You can stand on the cup. Is that good? Yes, you like broccoli, don't you? You're going to grow up to be a strong boy. Well, Mango's eating in his cage.